today I'm fortunate to welcome Michelle Rogers from iLOQ. So Michelle, could you tell me a little bit about iLOQ, the company?
Sure. So, hello, first of all. iLOQ, so I think the best way to describe iLOQ is, we really are pioneers in the smart locking industry. We've kind of revolutionised access control in providing patent battery-free smart locks. We founded in 2003.
Right.
In Finland. We operate in over 55 countries, actually 56. We just added another one in January. And we really aim to provide organisations with seamless, efficient, secure access control.
Great, that's a great start. So, as far as I'm concerned, when I've looked into your products about the smart locks, a bit like Phil Collins' album, No Jacket Required, I understand no batteries required. Do you want to explain a little bit how your technology works on your smart locks?
Yeah, sure. So I think what makes iLOQ really unique and why we're really niche is we're the only solution here in the UK that does not need any power or battery to work. So how that works is we use NFC technology. So that is where your phone is your key. So our flagship solution is RS50. So your key sits within your phone and the power from your phone using NFC technology powers the lock, and therefore the locks require no batteries or no power or wiring to work.
Fantastic. From a point of view then of what you've got in the range, what sort of locks are we talking about?
Yeah, so we do a very, very vast product range. What's really great about the iLOQ solution is we retrofit. I haven't come across a lock we haven't been able to retrofit yet. So we can retrofit ideally within the hour. We do every type of cylinder, all different types from, your kick, your mortise, oval, euro, and then we do the padlocks as well. So we go up to grade 5 within our padlocks, and they are all equipped with the NFC technology.
Fantastic. So when we look at this market of smart lock, obviously there is a lot of stuff out there already from other suppliers. What is unique to you, and what is the real key benefits of using iLOQ over other products?
We are a smart locking business, but we provide all the functionality that access control systems do. So that's audit trails, real-time updates, but anywhere that requires access control that we can put a smart lock on is where we can deliver.
From a point of view of the technology that you're using there, when you come to talk about the NFC, do I always need a 4G, 5G connection?
No, absolutely not. So with NFC technology, that's held within your phone. So where your mobile is your key, that there is the technology part. Our locks are passive devices. So until your mobile connects with the lock, that lock sits there as a passive device. So therefore failure rates in terms of maintenance and all of that comes usually with an access control system is eliminated.
Yeah. And I looked at some of your stuff online. There is a path where someone might think, I've already got access control, but I need something else. I understand you do integrate with a few partners as well.
Yeah, we do. We've got quite a few partners. So we have an open API. So system integration, we work with all different kind of partners to do all different types of things. So, that is an option within our software. And I think that's the really important thing to mention. This isn't just about locks. This is an access control solution that can be integrated with the organisation to make sure it's fit for purpose on how it works.
I think from a point of view of where it sits within the marketplace, obviously if you've got speed gates and you've got to get a lot of people here, because your technology takes about 1.5 seconds to open a door, it's not going to be ideal for that. But where are you being asked? Where are you seeing it being fitted at the moment?
Yeah, so the great thing about iLOQ is really versatile. So we do, really well in the critical infrastructure space, because for areas that have lots of remote sites, lots of people going in and out, external contractors, engineers, where you need an audit trail and you need to track, what's going on and who's going where. We're great in that area, and it's really good because a lot of those remote sites can't have power, so they still need that access control element, but we can literally go in and fit that system really quickly. We also do really well in the residential space because obviously, you know, tenants, homeowners, they love the fact that the mobile is the key. How often do you forget your keys? So the fact that your key is on your mobile phone would be great in the residential built to rent space and also the student accommodation space as well. But as I said, we're extremely versatile.
Brilliant, great explanation. So, thank you, Michelle. Really do appreciate keeping it short and sweet, because that's what I'm all about. What I can say is, if you'd like further information, please don't hesitate. Please contact your account manager at your earliest convenience, or go to the lovely www.norbain.com, whichever you prefer. Thanks ever so much, Michelle. Thank you.
Thanks, Baz.